Ever been in a quiet room and suddenly your stomach roars like a lion? It's called borborygmi, the sound of gas and fluids moving through your intestines. Your digestive tract is lined with muscles that contract to move food, gas, and liquids around. Even when your stomach is empty, those muscles keep working, creating that rumbling sound. Every 1 to 2 hours, your stomach sends a wave of contractions to clear out leftover food and debris, which is when it can get really loud. Feeling embarrassed? Drinking water or eating a small snack can calm the noise, at least for a little while. So next time your stomach speaks up, remember, it's just your body doing a little housekeeping.